Hello, hello. I'm Margaret. This is Jennifer, and we are a local wind morning. We're here at Country Grocer playing Christmas duets and raising money for four actually, local not-for-profit groups, and we are matching donations. So come on down. We're playing Monday 1 to 3 and Tuesday 1 to 3. So we hope to see some of you, and here's a little bit of music.
This is called Carolyn's Welcome, and it's not a traditional carol, but it's often used at Christmas time as an opening introduction, and we think it sounds fabulous with French horn.